Inside Dream Dubai app, we get an option to spin. But if I click here, it is not working. And many people are also saying the same thing, that when they click here, this spin don't work. Why is the problem happening? Why do this spin don't work? In this video, we'll get to know why this spin don't work and we are unable to spin. So actually what is happening, friends, if you see, it is written here, shop for 50 AED or more, unlock your spin. That means if you are using this Dream Dubai app for the first time and yet you did not do any shopping or you did not purchase any tickets from here, the minimum expense that you have to do is 50 AED. So if you haven't done that, spin don't work. So inside Dream Dubai app, in order to unlock your spin, what you have to do? You have to shop for AED 50 or more. Once you spend 50 AED or more, at that point of time, this spin wheel starts working and you can simply spin and use this facility that Dream Dubai is providing to everyone. The only thing is that you need to spend 50 AED or more. You can just do it here. This is Modesh. Yes, this is the Modesh store. You can just simply spend 50 AED here, or else you can just go to home, okay, here, and then check out for any good tickets which you want, and then you can just spend 50 AED. Once you're done, this spin starts working. So this is how the spin that is not yet starting will start working. I hope you like the video. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.